Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the image open and a duplicate layer ready. Start by examining resolution and problem areas. Use a rough selection to isolate the text you want removed, then choose Clone, Healing Brush, or Content-Aware Fill depending on texture complexity. You do this because sampling nearby pixels preserves pattern and lighting. Once done with the selection, apply the removal tool in small passes. Make sure to keep undo available and save incremental versions so you can revert if the result looks wrong. You now refine the patched area to blend seamlessly. Zoom to 100% and switch brush sizes to tackle edges versus broad fills. Sample from multiple nearby points so pattern direction and light remain consistent. For complex textures like fabric or skin, use frequency separation to treat color and details separately. This prevents smudging. Once comfortable with the base blend, add subtle dodge and burn or noise to reintroduce surface variation, so the edit reads as natural rather than. You're ready to add text on a fresh layer and integrate it with the scene. Pick a font, size, and color that match perspective and lighting. Use transform tools to skew or warp text for angle. Apply subtle effects, drop shadow, blend mode, or textured clipping masks to match surface interaction. Once satisfied, flatten copies for final export and save a PSD for future tweaks. If the new text looks off, check layer blending and revisit light direction as a quick troubleshooting tip to correct mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.